Hi, today I'll tell you how to be in the present. It is a process and you have to deliberately follow this process. So there are just 6 simple steps in them and I'll tell you each one by one. The first step is make a commitment. The commitment is that you will be in the present today. And make sure that you're aware of this commitment because this requires a lot of effort and a lot of energy. Second step is to be aware of your body. You must be aware consciously about your body sensations. For example, hunger, pain, any twitching in the muscle. Notice that very consciously. Third, develop a system. How do you develop a system? A simple technique I'll tell you is put a timer on your phone or your favorite tune which plays up, let's say after 5 minutes or 6 minutes. And that is an indicator to you to come back to the present. Fourth, be conscious of your thoughts. In the fourth exercise, you have to know what you're thinking. Be non-judgmental about it. And just observe how your thought process is moving on. A thought coming, one going out. Another one coming, another one going out. Right? The fifth is be conscious and aware of your surroundings. Can you hear the birds behind me? Similarly, whenever you're going around anywhere, observe the surroundings consciously. For example, if you're walking on a pathway and you come across a bunch of beautiful roses in a garden, do smell them, otherwise you're going to miss them. And the last one, the sixth one is be happy where you are. Now I'll give you an example. Let's say we all are rushing to the office and we're commuting by the road transport in a city. And we're waiting at this bus stand for the bus to come. And if I were to ask you, what are you doing? You would say, I'm waiting for the bus. Conversely, enjoying the moment of being there would be like I'm enjoying the surroundings. This is the conscious change which you have to bring in yourself by following the 6 steps, and you will start living in the present. Have a great day. Bye.